Hey, this is Hannah with WTI, and this Magic Mount from Scosche is the best phone holder I have ever had. This is the Magic Mount MagSafe suction cup holder, and it is the best driving companion. It will help you keep your phone nice and secure. It is so quick and easy to install and place, and that suction cup is not going anywhere. It will let you do a 360-degree swivel so you can adjust your angle from portrait to landscape, whatever it is that you need. And if you have a pop socket or a standard case, it accommodates both. It even comes with its own MagSafe sticker. So if you don't have that on your phone, you can add it on and you are ready to go. This helps me keep my phone exactly where I need it while I'm driving, and I love, love, love it. So make sure your phone is sturdy and secure while you're driving and get this Magic Mount from Scosche. You are going to absolutely love it, and that's my point of view.